Welcome back, friends. In this tutorial, you will learn how to automatically highlight the active cells row in Microsoft Excel. As you see in the screen, when different cells are selected, the row gets automatically highlighted. Let's start with the steps of doing this. First, select the data where you want to apply this auto highlight. Click on the Home tab. Conditional Formatting. New Rule. Click on Use Formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, write this formula. Equal to cell. Open parentheses. Double quotes, row, double quotes. Close parentheses. Is equal to row. Open and close parentheses. Now, click on the Format button. Click on Fill tab. Then choose the color you want for highlighting. Click on OK. Right-click on the sheet name. Click on View Code. From this drop-down, choose Worksheet. Here, write this code. Application, DOT. Screen updating is equal to true. Now, close this coding window. If you click on different cells, the row gets automatically highlighted. If you want to save this feature, you have to save this workbook as macro-enabled. For this, click on the File tab, then Save As. In the type of file, choose Excel Macro-Enabled File Type, then save the file. So, this is how we do auto-highlighting of active cells row in Excel. Thank you very much for watching this. See you on next tutorial.